Hey, I got an update about Cream and Shadow.
Oh, are they coming early?
No. Sadly, they'll be coming by next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday, the 26th?
Yeah.
Oh. When did you get here then, Amy?
I guess it's Monday.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, who are you? Oh yeah, I forgot about him. Yeah, who are you?
Alright, so yeah, I'm Sonic's brother. I'm Sonic's brother, Spencer. Yeah, that's Spencer, y'all.
Oh, Spencer. Spencer.
Wait, who was that over there? That's Spencer. Spencer? He looks like Sonic. That because he is Sonic's twin brother.
Ah, when did he get here though?
The same day Amy came.
Ah.
Oh, well. Yeah.
And Sonic kept that a secret the whole time. Until his own brother came here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all.
So Cream and Shadow will be here next Tuesday, the 26th?
Yeah, they're like 12 days from now.
12 days is kind of long, but we could wait.
Yeah, we gotta wait.
Hee.
Oh my god. I'll be right back real quick, y'all. Jeez.
What the what? I know, man. That's Spencer.
Spencer. At first, I thought it was Sonic, man, but dang, Spencer? Yeah, I'm Sonic's brother, Spencer. Oh, you're his brother. Yeah, he didn't want to tell. Sonic did not want to tell us about him the whole time. So he kept it a secret the whole time? Yeah. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's Spencer over there, brother. Oh wow. Huh.
What are y'all talking about?
Don't come over here saying that stuff, Chicken.
I don't freaking care, little girl.
Hey, don't say that to Rosie.
Jam! I don't want to hear you say my name. Why they got the old marks?
Ask me again. I swear to God, smack you.
Oh, yeah. That's what I thought, chicken.
Yeah, that's what I thought, baby.
Oh my god.
What was that? What was that called?
I don't know what that was.
Alright.
But for real, those are my hiccups right there.
Hiccups?
Oh no, you hit the hiccups. Oh no.
Man, we got to scare you at some point, Carl.
Yeah, but how y'all gonna do it?
I don't know. Maybe think about the scariest story you heard.
The scariest story I heard ever in my life. I don't think I got one.
Huh. Wow. Whoa, what can we do to get rid of your hiccups?
Yeah, Carl.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, man. What are we gonna do to get rid of your hiccups, Carl? Yeah.
No idea, y'all. God. What's up? What the heck was that? Those were my hiccups you got. God dang, you got the hiccups?
Yeah.
God dang. I might have something for you. What?
She gonna scare you.
I don't know. Boo! Ah! Oh my god. That scared me, man. But that didn't work, Chica. God dang, I thought it would work. Oh my god, oh my god.
Jesus, man.
I thought it was gonna work. Me too.
What are we gonna do then?
I don't know. Chica's scaring Carl didn't work. What else will work?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know what else will work. Oh, Chica, maybe if you try again, he might, like, scream more and more, and then the more he screamed, the more the hiccups will be gone. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, do it again, Chica.
Boo! Ah! Oh my gosh, Chica! Every time.
I'm not gonna. That's funny.
Oh, come on now. Nope, that didn't work.
Oh my god. What else would work? Try drinking water then.
If that doesn't work, Chica, I'm gonna go like do something else.
I hope this works.
Did you drink the water, Cole?
Yeah. Oh, hopefully this works.
Oh, alright.
So, did it work? Let's just wait a minute, Chica, and then we'll see. Oh, great. Oh my gosh, man. That haven't been there for 30 whole seconds. I thought it was gonna work the whole time. Me too, man. Dang, it didn't work, Chica. God dang.
Maybe you should get advice from Freddy Jr. or them over there. They might have something for you.
Yeah. Let me see if they got something.
What was that, Cole?
Those are my hiccups.
Oh, you get the hiccups?
Yeah, Amy.
Oh no, why you get the hiccups, Carl?
Yeah, man.
I don't know. They just come in randomly every time.
We had to solve your hiccup problem.
Yeah, but how?
Well, that's what I came over here for. I came over here so y'all could try to scare me and stuff. And give me some advice as to what I should do to get rid of those hiccups.
I don't got any advices for you.
Me neither. I got no advice for that.
Oh, Cole, I do.
Oh, what up, Freddy Jr.?
Alright, so...
Hold on.
So... Did y'all try scaring him?
Yeah, Chica did.
Oh, so... I think... So, all you have to do, Cole, is try to hold your breath.
No, I don't think that will work, Freddy Jr.
Yeah, I might die or something.
Yeah, man. No, promise me. I did this like 2 years ago. And it worked perfectly.
You did?
Yeah. How long did you hold your breath for? I hold my breath for 12 seconds, man. 12 seconds. And then it went away. And then, yeah.
All I had to do was hold my breath for 12 seconds and then it go away.
Yeah. Promise me it's gonna work.
Alright. Oh.
Dang. And plus, I waited a minute or 5 or more to see if it would come back. And no, it didn't come back. So all you had to do, Cole, is just wait 5 minutes and then we'll see if it's gonna come back or not.
Alright. I think I should trust you on this one.
Yeah.
I hope your idea works, Freddy Jr. Yeah.
Yeah. But if it doesn't work, then maybe try again for 10 seconds. Just 10, not 12 or more. Just 10. Try again if it didn't work. Alright. And let me know when it's coming back so I could keep an eye on you with the holding breath.
Alright.
And we'll see how far you gotten without having the hiccups.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, it's been 4 minutes and 30 seconds and you still haven't gotten the hiccups.
Oh no, it didn't work. Oh.
At least it didn't work for like 3 minutes or 4 minutes.
Yeah. But he said 5 minutes is the most maximum time.
Freddy Jr.
Oh, what up? He made it through 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Dang it! I thought it would go for the whole 5 minutes. Whew. Now try holding your breath for 10 seconds.
Alright.
Woo! Now wait 5 minutes on that part and see if that works.
Alright.
Alright, did y'all solve it yet?
I think we're gonna solve the problem, Chica, from Freddy Jr.
Ah.
So yeah, we're just waiting 5 minutes until to see if Carl will have the hiccups in like 4 minutes or something. If not, I mean, well, if he doesn't hiccup around like 5 minutes, that means they're gone. Alright, cool. Oh, it's been 4 minutes and 30 seconds again, man. Don't let it happen around here. Alright.
You got this, Carl. Yeah.
You got this, Carl.
Yeah. We believe in you. Yeah.
We got you, Carl.
Yeah.
Got you, boy. We got you, man.
We can believe in you. Even when you tell Chicken why she got the green marks.
Stop! Hey, baby.
Yeah. We got you, Carl. Yeah.
It's been 5 minutes and you still haven't had the hiccups. They're gone officially. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Freddy Jr.
Anytime, Carl.
Oh, my God.
So, the first time it didn't work, try it the second time and it might work then.
Cool.
Alright. Whew. I solved his hiccup problem.
Yay.
Good job, brother.
Good job, Freddy Jr.
Thanks, Amy. And everybody.
Yeah, I'm proud of you for that. Oh, my God.
Now, Chica.
Yeah, Carl. I know your hiccups are gone now. Now that they're gone, now I can say this again. What are you marks? Enough! Alright, Chica.